Today, I'm going to show you how we can remove duplicates from a data set. What do I mean? When you look at this data set with two columns, name and gender, it has John appearing once, in Jane twice, and Peter 3 times. So I want to have a list with unique names. In other words, I want John once, Jane once, and Peter once. This is one of the challenges you can come across when you're doing your work. So there are 3 methods I'm going to use to achieve this. Method 1, you'll go to data, click here, remove duplicates from all columns, then OK. You see, we have 3 duplicate values found and removed, and 4 unique values remain. Say OK. This is what we get. So from a list of 6, we have removed the duplicates and remain with a list of 3 items. That's the first method. Method number 2, let me undo what I did, is using a formula called unique. So I type unique, like so. I highlight the data, enter, and as you can see, it also achieves the same thing. The advantage of this is that if I added here another name like James, it will automatically appear on my list here. If I bring down to include that, you can see James appearing here. So that's the advantage of this, unlike the first one where you have to redo if case the list changes. The third method is a method where I'm going to use advanced filters. Now, my online version of Excel, which I've been using, does not have that functionality. So let me jump into the desktop version. Again, the same data with 2 columns, name and gender. So I go to data, advanced filters. So what I'm going to use, my action is going to be copy. What am I copying? This one is that range which it has selected. I want to copy it to a different location. So I'm going to put my cursor there, then put the cursor where I want to copy it to. This is the important part here, unique records only. In other words, I'm telling Excel, please copy only unique records. So I say OK and OK, and there you go. So this is how you can achieve it using the advanced filter. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been helpful, and if it is so, please click the like button, share, subscribe, hit the notification button, and give comments. Thank you for watching. See you again.